Derivatives of inverses. Okay, so the formula for a derivative of an inverse is f inverse of x is equal to, prime is equal to 1 over f prime of f inverse of x. Now, because f inverse of x is technically instead of x being a function of y, it's y as a function of x, we can make this f prime of y. There. So f prime of y. Now, if we are given the equation y equals x squared minus 7, and we want to find the derivative of that, f prime of x is equal to 2x. Now, f prime of y, we swap out the x and y, is equal to 2y. So f prime of y is equal to 2y. So if we want to, if we want to find the derivative of this is inverse, we plug this 2y in for f prime of y. So 1 over 2y. But that's only the inverse derivative in terms of y. If we want to find it in terms of x, well, we find the inverse of this. So instead of y equals x squared minus 7, we swap out the x and y. X equals y squared minus 7. Now, we solve for y. Move the 7 over. X plus 7 equals y squared. And y equals the square root of x plus 7. So now we can plug that in for y over here. So this is also equal to 1 over square root 2 times the square root of x plus 7. Now, another way to do this is through the implicits. So when we have y equals x squared minus 7, so we can swap these two out. So x equals y squared minus 7 and solve for the derivative using in the implicits like I did previously. So x just goes to 1, y goes into 2y, dy dx, and the 7 goes to 0. Now, we divide by 2y to get 1 over 2y equals dy dx, just like here. And if we want to convert it to be in terms of x instead of y, we just plug in the same thing for 2y. So 1 over square root of x plus 7, or 2 times x plus 7.